Welcome back to another dynamic episode by Mirus Global Real Estate, where we transform insights into action and dreams into Dubai real estate success stories. I'm your host, Pitfalls, and today we're unraveling a topic that's as exciting as it is crucial: the mortgage process in Dubai. Imagine this: you're walking through a luxurious penthouse with breathtaking views of the Dubai skyline, or perhaps standing in the backyard of a stunning villa, feeling the soft desert breeze. You found the one, your dream property. The future is calling, but here comes the critical question: how do you secure the perfect mortgage to make it yours? Whether you're stepping into the Dubai market for the very first time, adding another trophy to your investment portfolio, or simply curious about how to make the most of the financing options. Here, this episode is your ultimate playbook. Before we delve into the specifics, let's start by understanding why mortgages play such a pivotal role in Dubai's thriving real estate market. Mortgages play a pivotal role in making property ownership accessible and manageable in Dubai's dynamic real estate market. With the city offering a blend of luxury living and lucrative investment opportunities, many buyers, both residents and international investors, turn to mortgages as a strategic tool to leverage their purchasing power. By spreading the cost of a property over time, mortgages allow buyers to unlock premium assets without tying up large amounts of capital upfront. For non-residents, getting a mortgage in Dubai is a smart move for several reasons. First, it provides an opportunity to own property in one of the world's fastest growing and tax-friendly markets without having to invest a large lump sum. Second, Dubai's mortgage framework is designed to accommodate international buyers, offering competitive interest rates and financing options tailored to non-residents. Additionally, using a mortgage preserves liquidity, allowing non-resident investors to diversify their portfolios or capitalize on other opportunities while enjoying the benefits of Dubai's booming real estate sector. For those looking to generate rental income, leveraging a mortgage can enhance returns on investment while keeping upfront costs manageable. When it comes to securing a mortgage in Dubai, it's important to know who's involved and how they help shape your journey to property ownership. Let's break down the key players and their roles in making the process seamless and successful. First, we have the banks and financial institutions, the backbone of the mortgage process. These are the lenders who offer various mortgage products tailored to different needs. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, they'll assess your financial profile, determine your eligibility, and provide the financing options that best suit your goals. Next up are the mortgage brokers, your guides through the often complex mortgage maze. Think of them as your personal consultants. They compare lenders, negotiate favorable terms, and handle much of the legwork to help you secure the best deal. If you're new to Dubai's market or need expert advice, brokers can be a game changer. Then there are the real estate agents, who often act as the bridge between your dream property and the financing you need. Beyond finding the perfect home, many agents have strong relationships with banks and brokers, making it easier to connect you with the right financing options. We can't forget about property developers. Many developers in Dubai partner with specific banks to offer exclusive mortgage packages or incentives to buyers. If you are purchasing a property directly from a developer, these partnerships can open the door to special deals. Another critical player is the valuation expert, whose role is to assess the property's market value. This step ensures that the property you're financing is worth the investment, providing both you and the bank with confidence in the transaction. Finally, there are the legal advisors. They are here to protect your interests, reviewing contracts, ensuring compliance with Dubai's property laws, and making sure everything is clear and transparent before you sign on the dotted line. Each of these players brings a unique piece to the puzzle, working together to turn your property dream into reality. By understanding their roles, you will feel more confident and in control as you move through the mortgage process. Now that we've covered the key players, let's dive into what you need to do to get started. Having identified the key players in the mortgage process, let's shift our focus to the eligibility criteria and requirements for non-residents looking to secure a mortgage in Dubai. If you're a non-resident looking to secure a mortgage in Dubai, the good news is that the process is designed to accommodate international buyers, making it easier than ever to own property in one of the world's most vibrant cities. However, understanding the eligibility criteria and required documentation is key to a smooth application process. When considering a mortgage as a non-resident in Dubai, there are several important factors to keep in mind. Banks typically have a minimum income requirement, often starting at AED 15,000 per month. While you may not have a local credit history, proving your financial stability will be essential. Mortgages are available for properties in freehold areas where foreign ownership is permitted. The loan to value (LTV) ratio usually ranges from 50-75%, meaning you'll need to cover a portion of the property value as a down payment. Finally, most banks have an age limit, ensuring the loan is repaid by 65-70 years of age. Understanding these criteria is key to navigating the mortgage process in Dubai. To streamline the process, it's important to prepare a complete set of documents. Here's what you will generally need: passport copy, a clear copy of your passport with a valid visa or entry stamp, proof of income, salary slips, employment contracts, or audited financial statements if you are self-employed, bank statements, usually 3-6 months of bank statements from your home country to demonstrate financial stability, proof of address, utility bills, or other documents that verify your permanent address outside the UAE, property documents, details of the property you intend to purchase, including an agreement with the seller or developer. Additional requirements. Some banks may ask for a personal reference or letter from your current bank. With a clear understanding of eligibility and requirements, let's break down the step-by-step process of securing a mortgage in Dubai. Now, let's walk through the process step by step. Determine your budget. Use online calculators to estimate how much you can borrow. Pre-approval. Approach a bank or broker for pre-approval. This gives you a clear idea of your borrowing capacity. Property search. Once pre-approved, start looking for properties within your budget. Valuation. After selecting a property, the bank will conduct a valuation. Final approval. Submit all required documents to the bank for final approval. Down payment and mortgage registration. Pay the down payment and register the mortgage with the DLD. Transfer of ownership. Complete the final legal steps to transfer the property into your name. Now that you have a solid understanding of the mortgage process, let's take a look at some key tips to ensure your journey is as smooth as possible, and also highlight some common pitfalls you'll want to avoid. These will help you navigate the process with confidence, whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor. Know your financial limits. Before diving into the mortgage process, it's important to have a clear picture of your finances. Know what you can comfortably afford in terms of monthly payments, including any other financial obligations you may have. A well-established budget will help you avoid falling in love with a property that might be out of your reach, or worse, finding yourself stretched too thin financially after your purchase. Get pre-approved. One of the best things you can do before shopping for property is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Pre-approval not only streamlines the process, but it also gives you a clear idea of how much you can borrow. This sets the stage for a quicker, more focused house hunting experience and gives you the confidence to make an offer when you find that perfect property. Compare lenders and offers. Don't settle for the first mortgage offer you come across. Take the time to compare rates, terms, and fees from different banks and financial institutions. Interest rates may vary, and a slightly better rate or more favorable terms can save you thousands over the life of your loan. It's worth the extra effort to secure the best deal. Work with a mortgage broker. If you're feeling overwhelmed or uncertain about where to begin, a mortgage broker can be a great resource. Brokers have in-depth knowledge of the market and can connect you with the right lender, ensure you're getting the best rates, and help you understand the finer details of the mortgage process. Their expertise can save you both time and money. Be ready with your documents. The mortgage process requires quite a bit of paperwork, so having everything prepared read in advance will make the process much smoother. This includes proof of income, bank statements, identification documents, and property-related paperwork. The quicker you can submit your documents, the quicker you'll move through the approval process. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes that buyers make during the mortgage process and how you can avoid them. Underestimating the down payment. Non-residents typically need to contribute a larger down payment compared to residents, often around 25 to 30%. Failing to account for this upfront cost can lead to delays and complications when it comes time to finalize your mortgage. Make sure you're prepared to cover this expense early in the process. Forgetting about additional costs. A mortgage isn't just about the loan amount. There are other costs involved in buying property, such as registration fees, insurance, and maintenance costs. Many buyers overlook these expenses and find themselves financially strained down the road. Make sure to factor in all these additional costs when planning your budget. Rushing the decision. When you're eager to own property in a fast-paced market like Dubai's, it's tempting to jump into the first mortgage deal you're offered. However, rushing into decisions can lead to unfavorable terms or missed opportunities. Take the time to carefully review your options, understand all the terms, and seek expert advice where needed. Not considering currency exchange. Risks. For non-residents whose income is in a foreign currency, currency exchange rates can impact mortgage repayments. Fluctuations in exchange rates may result in higher costs over time. So, it's important to plan for this and keep an eye on currency trends. This is especially crucial if you're making long-term financial commitments. Skipping the property valuation. While it might seem like an unnecessary step, skipping the property valuation can result in problems down the line. Lenders will typically require an independent property valuation to confirm that the property is worth the loan amount. Skipping this step can lead to delays in approval or, in the worst case scenario, cause the lender to reject your loan application. By following these tips and avoiding these common mistakes, you will be in a great position to navigate the mortgage process with ease. Taking a proactive, well-informed approach will help you avoid setbacks and ensure that your investment in Dubai real estate is a smooth and rewarding experience. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the mortgage process in Dubai. We hope this episode has clarified some of the complexities and empowered you to take the next step confidently. Remember, preparation is key, and having the right team by your side can make all the difference. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mirus Mindset. And if you are ready to make your move in Dubai's real estate market, we're here to help. Reach out to me at pritpal@mirus.ae or call +91 911 2000003 to get personalized advice and start your investment journey today. Join us next time as we explore more topics to help you navigate Dubai's real estate landscape. Until then, happy investing.